Namaste, I am Manjula and welcome to Manjula's Kitchen. Today I have a very special guest star.
Hello, my name is Sean, and today we are making French fries with my grandma, who I call Dadi.
Makes the best.
And she makes the best French fries.
If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe to YouTube channel and don't forget to click on bell icon so you can receive the future recipes. So we are ready to make the French fries.
Let's get cooking. Whenever I'm visiting my Dadi, we always make French fries. And I always get the potatoes out from the garage in order to start cooking the French fries.
And that's a deal. So let's start.
Yay!
So first I am going to peel the potatoes. We are using 2 potatoes to make the French fries. I always use the russet potatoes and these are the best to make French fries. So first I am going to peel them. So I have peeled the potatoes and now we are going to cut them in French fries. So just slice them in lengthwise, about 1/4 inch thick. And now slice them lengthwise. So I have already cut the French fries. Like you see, these are about 1/4 inch thick. So now we are going to dip them in ice cold water for about 10 minutes. Okay, Sean, help me.
Okay. There you go.
Okay, and then let them sit for about 10 minutes. So this has been about 10 minutes and now we are getting ready to fry. While oil is getting hot, Sean, we have to take them out and pat dry the fries. Okay, so take them out from the water over the clean kitchen towel. Okay.
Okay.
Do it quick. And as you see, the water is little foggy, so some of the starch from the potatoes have came out. Okay. Now we are just going to pat dry. Yes.
We'll let them get dry.
Yeah, just little bit. Check out the oil if it is ready. So just put one fry in there. Just one. Yes, oil is ready.
Now
Just-
it's rising up.
Yeah. So just put them few.
A few at a time.
Just slowly, not one at a time, just few at a time, but put them slowly. Make sure you don't burn, okay?
I see it all rising up.
Just few more. That's it. So we don't want to put too many fries at one time because oil will get little cold because fries have lot of water. If oil is not hot enough, fries will get very oily. So we should just keep turning till the fries are golden brown from all sides
And very crispy.
and crispy. Yes.
They're looking really
So it has been almost 3 minutes, but they are not ready because they should be really golden brown from all sides.
So maybe we should wait another 2 to 3 minutes.
Another, yeah. And oil will be not sizzling this much like it is right now. Okay. When I pick up my grandkids from their school, that's what they like to eat.
Yes. Every Thursday after school, we always
French
have
fries.
these French fries. And they're delicious. I always look forward to having them after school.
French fries and what else? Sean?
Quesadillas.
Quesadillas.
It's a very tasty after school snack.
Also, don't fry on very high heat. They will get brown, but they won't be crispy. Yes, French fries are ready. They have very nice color and they really are looking very crispy.
Yes, they look really tasty.
Tasty? No, they look crispy and they are very delicious.
Yes, very crispy.
Shan, I think this is enough French fries for you. What do you think?
I think it is a perfect serving for
Okay,
me to eat.
so now you have to sprinkle some salt because that's all you like. French fries are looking really good, nice and crispy. You can serve these with ketchup or with any chutney. But Shan likes this with?
Salt and quesadillas.
Okay. Thank you. Till we meet again, check out more recipes on manjulaskitchen.com.